अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। इल्म रियाज़ी जमात अव्वल बाईलिंगुअल इंग्लिश मीडियम का चार्ट आपके सामने है। ये चार्ट आप देखेंगे, इसको किस तरह से हल करना है हम इसमें देखेंगे। लेट अस नाउ हाउ टू फिल द चार्ट, हाउ टू फिनिश द एक्टिविटीज़ फ्रॉम द चार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, see the numbers, identify color and read the numbers. This is 1, identify this and color this and fill it. 1, read and fill the color. 1, 3, fill the color to this 3. इस तरह से आप रंग भरेंगे। The second chart is 6, 9, read the number and fill the color. गिनती को पढ़ते हुए इसमें रंग आप भरें। सर्कल द मिसिंग नंबर्स, यहाँ नंबर्स दिए गए हैं। सी हियर 1, 5, 3, 4, 2. रीड इट। 1, write here 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to this table. इस टेबल में नंबर दिए गए हैं 1 to 9 नंबर्स। यू हैव टू राइट इट हियर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. Write below also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this, finish the whole chart. Come to the next activity here. The activity is count the number and join this. For example, 2 stars, 2 elephants also here. Join 2 stars and 2 animals. 1 girl, 1 apple. Join this apple and girl. 3 ice cream, 3 cars. Join these 3. 4 stars and 4 lotus. Join this. Come to the next activity. Color the number. Color the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to the next activity. See here. Count the all clocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 8, 7 they have given. Circle this 7. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle the 5. Count it 1, 2, 3. Circle the 3. Count and write the number. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number 5. 1, 2, 3. Write here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4. Come to the next activity here. Count and add. How many lollipops are there? See here. 1, 2, 3. And here 1, 2. Now count that all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write here number 5. First you count this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now count that's all from one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 4 are 7. Count this is 1 and 1. These are 2. Add the number and color the picture. The numbers they have given here. Add this 2 plus 2. Count this 2 and 2 are 4. 1 and 2 are 3. 1 and 1 are 2. 1 and 1 are 2. 1 and 1 are 2. First you write that's all and then color the picture and color it. For example, for butterflies I am coloring here and take a different to flowers and color the flowers, color the grass, take a different color, color this and like that finish the activity. Now come to the next activity. Count here now. 2 and 7. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and 7 are 9. Like that. See here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 3 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 and 5 are 8. Like that. Finish the all activity. Come to the next activity here. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are 5. Joint it 5. 2 and 2 are 4. 3 and 3 are 6. Come to the next activity here. Write the missing numbers. 1 is given. 2. Here you have to write 3. By mistake they have printed 2 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Match the column A and B. 4 they have given. Count the pictures they have given. Here there are 4 balls. Joint it 4. 6 fishes are here. Joint to the 6. 2 chicks are here. To the chicks. 5 trees are here. Joint to the 5. 1 deer is here. Joint to the 1. Come to the next activity here. The coloring game. Now you have to color it. First they have given 1 to 9. 1 and 9 you have to color red. Pick the red color. All 1 you color 1 and 9 color with the red one. All 1s and 9s color red. Like this. All 2 and 8s green. 8s. All 2s. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. All 2s and 8. Color it green. 3 and 7 color with blue. All 3 and 7. 3 and 7 with blue colors. Now 4 and 6 with yellow color. 4 and 6. And 5 with purple. And 5 with purple. Like that you finish the activity. Come to the next activity. Add the numbers 1 and 8, 9. Count in your fingers and then write 2 and 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write here 6. Like that count and fill the numbers. Yes, this is the filling activity of worksheets. If you have any doubt, you can ask frankly to my WhatsApp number 944 9724 and join my YouTube channel Al Ilm Education and get the more education videos. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.